In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a follow-up email on Smartlead. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confidently confirm the deletion so you don't second-guess yourself later. First, open Smartlead in your browser and sign into your account. You'll land on your dashboard. From here, navigate to your email campaigns. This is where Smartlead organizes your sequences, including the follow-up emails attached to each campaign. Deleting the campaign that contains a follow-up sequence will remove those follow-up emails along with it, so it's important to be sure you're working on the right one. Next, use the filter option at the top of the campaign list. Filters are incredibly helpful if your account has a lot of active or archived campaigns. You can narrow by status, date ranges, or other available criteria to quickly surface the campaign that includes the follow-up you want to remove. This step reduces mistakes by keeping your view focused on just the relevant items. If filtering isn't enough or you know the campaign's name, you can also use the search bar. Type in keywords you remember, like the product name, audience segment, or internal label you used. The search will pull up matching campaigns, making it faster to zero in on the exact sequence that contains the follow-up email you're targeting. Once you've found the correct campaign, look to the right side of its row for the three-dot menu icon. This menu holds additional actions that aren't front and center on the main list. Click the three dots and pause for a moment to double-check the campaign name and status so you don't accidentally act on the wrong one. From that menu, select Delete Campaign. This action removes the entire campaign and the associated follow-up emails. Keep in mind that any scheduled or pending follow-ups within that campaign will no longer send after deletion, so make sure you won't need this sequence later. A confirmation prompt will appear to help prevent accidental removals. Read the prompt carefully, then click OK to confirm. After you confirm, Smartlead will process the deletion. You should see the campaign disappear from your list. If it doesn't update right away, simply refresh your page to reflect the change. That's it. You opened Smartlead, narrowed your list with filter or search, used the three-dot menu to choose Delete Campaign, and confirmed with OK. With these steps, you can quickly and safely remove a follow-up sequence when it's no longer needed. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher.